I got a gal that I call Skinny Jane. I got a gal that I call Skinny Jane. Now some folks may call her Minnie, but for me I call her Skinny. She's my little skinny Sarah Jane.
Play it, Walter boy.
That gal of mine, now she is awful thin. That gal of mine, now she is awful thin. She is awful thin and say, I'm afraid the wind's gonna blow her away. She's my little skinny Sarah Jane.
Swing it, Leroy.
That gal of mine, now she won't take a bath. That gal of mine, now she won't take a bath. She won't take a bath, won't even rub. Afraid to go down the drain hole in the tub. She's my little skinny Sarah Jane.
Take it away, boy.
She don't even weigh 100 pounds. She don't even weigh 100 pounds. She don't weigh 100 pounds, but she knows how to wiggle from her waist on down. She's my little skinny Sarah Jane.